constructing a square. To begin constructing a square, we use a line to form the base of our square, which is this line in this case. So, after you draw the line, you put a point on it. Now, in most cases when you're doing a construction, they'll give you a distance for your square, and your square will have to be that set distance. Now, I didn't give myself a distance because you can do it. The other situation is where you don't have a distance. So in this case, it's just you put a random point, and that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to put a random point on this line, and that'll form the distance that each side of my square has to be. So now we're going to make the perpendicular line. So the first step in making lines perpendicular through a point is to make two small arcs that are equidistant from the center point, and that form points of intersection with the line that you're going to use as your base. So now, after you make these marks, you're going to draw the guide arcs that'll make your perpendicular lines. So you use a radius greater than the distance from the point to the hash to the arc, and then you draw the large arcs. And so then you use the other point. Come on. I have a very bad compass, but it's the only one I have available. Compasses in class are very nice compasses. They're much nicer to use than this one. So you can be much more precise. It's very difficult to be precise with this compass. So now it's just a matter of connecting the dots, so to speak, of the intersecting sections of the arc. So we just draw the line through, and there you go. So there's one perpendicular line, so then we connect the dots on the other side, and there's our other perpendicular line. So now we have to form the distance. We have to form the two sides. So the way we do that is we measure this distance with the compass. And then we move that up here and we make a little mark. And then we come over here and we make another mark. And that gives us the distance to which we connect these two dots. And that forms the top and sides of the square. So there is a square.